Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to view your form cross-platform for Microsoft Forms for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, Company for Work, School of Business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Let's now go all the way to the left top corner of the screen. Go to all applications. Explore all the applications. Go to forms. Go to all my forms. Now go to Computer Science Videos, a form that we have been working on within the last tutorials. So let's now go to preview. The form is already done. If you're not sure how we have got this far, click on the previous tutorials and you will see that all in full. Let's now preview to view cross-platform on computer, on mobile, and we are able to fill in the form. Do you watch my videos? Yes, I do. Rate Computer Science Videos out of 9. Question, option 1, submit. Thanks, the response was submitted. Let's go back. 4 responses. Click on responses and there we go. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.